Alfa Romeo will kick off its next product offensive with an SUV larger than the Stelvio pictured being prepared for launch about 2 years from now. The People Hauler, built on the Stelvio's Giorgio platform the same as the Giulia sedan, will be the first brand offering with an electrified drivetrain and the largest vehicle Alfa Romeo has ever built. A report last year said the coming SUV would probably slot into the BMW X5 and Mercedes-Benz GLE segment. However, the XL Stelvio has been benchmarked against the Audi Q7 and a 7-seater model is likely. Alfa Romeo Chief Technical Officer Roberto Fedeli opened up to Auto Express, saying that a larger, heavier SUV could embody brand DNA with the help of a 48-volt mild hybrid solution. The near-instant get-up of an e-turbo would counteract weight gain expected to be around 440 pounds. Fedeli revealed Alfa Romeo's testing a 2.0-liter, 4-cylinder with an e-turbo on a simulator, and said they can achieve the standard Stelvio produces 280 horsepower from its turbocharged 2.0-liter. The larger model that opened proceedings at 350 HP would create enough separation between the Stelvio and a rival like the 333 horsepower Audi Q7 with the Quadrifoglio version. We'd imagine it would want to outdo the 505 HP coming from the 4-leaf Stelvio. After the SUV launches, the next generation Euro market Giulia Bose